We are taking Coco on a walk. As you can see, it's very windy. I can point out Coco's right there. Coco, where did you go this time? Coco. Coco. Just look at the terrain. Look at Coco. She's She's like a rocket running. She's chasing butterflies. She's running away. Who did that? Dad, who did that?
Don't know, darling.
Coco, come.
Come here.
Coco, lead on.
Come on.
Lead on.
Come here. Come on.
Come on.
Come here.
Dad, she's just having fun. Come. Alright then, what do you think? Let's come back. I'm coming. I'm leaving.
That's enough recording then.
Oh.
Why don't you post it?
Bye. Bye guys. Like and subscribe so I can do more videos.